Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. I have created this gray eyes with soft lips and I really liked the way it turned out. So let's begin. Here I'm showing you all my acne scars which are getting lighter now by using this Garnier vitamin C. Just after that serum, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. Is in the shade golden pink. This is a very lightweight liquid illuminator that gives the skin a very refreshed glow and a beautiful highlight. Guys, I'll just switch off the ring light now and show you all the difference. Here it comes. Can you all just check the glow? I wanted little more on my cheekbone, so just applying little bit again on the cheek area. Guys, it is nice and sunny today, so I don't think I require a ring light. So I'm gonna do today's video without the ring light so that you all can see the makeup in a very natural light. And now as a primer, I'm using this Color Bar Silicone Primer, Water Primer. Very nice. I'm using from long time before Nika. I got this color bar and it's been long time I'm using this primer. And girls, if you all want a detailed video about this primer, I have a separate video on my channel so you all can have a check. And now I'm just showing you all this beauty blender. You all can see how soft and cushiony it is. And today for the foundation, I'm using my most favorite Milani foundation. My shade is 01 Creamy Vanilla. It is a full coverage foundation. I have just taken one pump of this foundation and I think that would be enough, or else later I'll be using a concealer. Guys, always use the beauty blender in the dapping motion. You don't have to rub or drag, you just have to do this dapping motion. You all can see how full coverage is this foundation. Instantly it is hiding my marks and giving me a flawless base. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. It is amazing full coverage concealer, which is a bit drying but perfect for my skin as my skin is oily to combination. And guys, if you are of my skin type, this concealer is the best one. You're gonna love it. As I'm blending, just check the coverage of this concealer, what it is giving under my eye. And after the concealer, to set my base, I'm using this Fit Me loose powder from the brand Maybelline. My shade is light. One of the best loose powder. Applying it under the eye first to set the concealer so that you don't get creases. And now whatever is left on the sponge, I am applying it all over the face. And guys, by doing this method, your base or your foundation and concealer is locked for at least good 8 hours. And girls, if you all want to learn how to have a perfect flawless base, I have a separate video on my channel so you all can have a check. Guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe, like and comment so that I can know that you guys are loving my videos or not, and I can improve myself. And now to moisturize my lips, I'm using this Wadi lip balm. It is an amazing lip balm. Lately, I'm just loving it so much. And now for the eyebrows, I'm using this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. Girls who follow me know that I cannot do my makeup without the eyebrows or without defining my eyebrows. And here I have completed both the side, and can you all see the difference? Girls, doing your eyebrows, you're making your eyebrows make a lot of difference to complete the makeup. And to start off with the eyeshadow, I'm using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I have just picked the light peach color first and applying it just above the crease line. This is my most favorite shade from this palette as I use this a lot. And now this one is the best. It is the Color Essence Ultra Color Graphic Eyeshadow. Water formula. Beautiful. Pigmentation is awesome. This is in the grey color and the number is 12. It has got shimmer in it. These eyeshadows are best when applied with finger. They also have many other colors in this single eyeshadow, so you all can have a check. And now just to give a neat finish, I'm using the brush. Now I'll just be using the dark grey shade from the same palette and will be applying it just on the eyeshadow itself so that I can darken it a little. Now I have just picked the little darker shade. It is in a mauvey color and just applying it on the corners so that everything looks blended and gives you a nice finish. And now to curl my lashes, I am using this lash curler. Girls, by doing this, your lashes get curled instantly, but please be careful while doing this. And now for the mascara, I'm using this Essence mascara. You all know it is my most favorite mascara. Guys, just see the difference. Isn't it beautiful? Here I'm done with both my eyes, and now I'm picking the same dark grey color and just applying it on my lash line. And by doing this, your eyes look even more defined. And now for the kajal, I'm using this Faces Canada kajal. This is in the shade grey. It is the most softest kajal I have seen. I mostly use the same kajal in the shade black in my other videos, and you all know that it is my favorite kajal. And now for the blush, I am using this Glow Kit from the brand Hilary Rhoda. It has got an amazing blush shades and highlighter in just one palette. And now using the same palette, I am picking the highlighter shade. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. This gives you a perfect highlight look. It is damn pigmented. Oh, when I start with this highlighting part, oh my god, I can't stop easily. Any makeup look is just incomplete without the glow. So, the highlighter is very important. Today, I'm using two lipsticks from the brand Faces to fill my lips. First, I'm picking the dark shade to define my lips, and then the lighter shade to fill inside. These crayon lipsticks are amazing, super matte, stays very long, and I think I have all these shades from this crayon lipstick. So if you all want a separate video, I shall surely make it. Let me know. Girls, now I'm just oning the ring light. I switched it off, just doing in the natural light and a tube light in my room so that I can show you all the eyeshadow and the lipstick shade. Isn't it beautiful? It is so soft yet looks so glam. Guys, I need you people to show some love so that I come up with some more creative looks. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all like this video.